back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is going to be a what I eat in a day, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I have finally tried this egg in the air fryer thing. I've been seeing it all over like just social media. So I just put, here, let me show you guys. So I just put 4 eggs in the air fryer, and I put it on 250 degrees for 11 minutes. So I hope that it comes out like boiled eggs. You have to quickly drop them in like iced water when it's finished. That way it can like stop cooking and cool down and peel much easier. So you guys will see and I will see like if this actually works. I was getting many mixed instructions on how to do it. I was getting people that were putting it in the air fryer for like 300 degrees, 200 degrees, 180 degrees. So like I just did 250. We'll see if that works. And I'm just filling up my Stanley with my Aquasana water machine. This is my 45 ounce Stanley. Not 45, 40 ounce. So if I drink 2 of these a day, this will equal 80 ounces of water, and that's about half, a little bit under, but almost half of my weight in half in ounces, and that is what you're supposed to drink a day, if not a gallon. I'm afraid to step away from the eggs, so we're just gonna hang out and chit chat. So I bought these balloons because I'm gonna blow them up. It is Isaiah's birthday this weekend. We're celebrating it today and tomorrow. So I have plans to go to Party City later just to grab like even bigger balloons for him, because I feel like 14 is like, I feel like that's such a big milestone. I don't know. I feel like all like teens are big milestones, but I feel like, I don't know, something about 14, I just feel like you're in there, you know what I mean? Like you're a teenager. Like even though when you're 13 you're a teenager, but like 14, it's a little different. It hits different. I got these balloons that I'm gonna blow up. I'm gonna decorate this in his room. Here we go. 14. So we're gonna go ahead and start decorating his room. Okay, so I am letting it sit in iced water for a little, and then we'll peel it, and then we will see if the air fryer method is efficient. Okay, I did my eyelashes while we waited for the eggs to cool down. It literally took me, why is my camera moving? It literally took me 10 minutes. So did that. Now I feel better and just a little bit more confident. Now I have my eyelashes. So, okay, let's take a look at the eggs. So again, this was about 11 minutes in the air fryer on 250. Okay, it's hard. So that's good. All right, let's see if it peels as easy. Ooh. It does work. So we've got 1. So 2 peeled very nicely, and the other 2 not so much, but it is cooked. Ooh, look guys, it worked. It did work. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so while the bacon and sausage is cooking, I want to try one of these. So I personally like my eggs like this versus like the fully cooked one. The yolk is just softer and just a little bit more creamier. So anyway, we're gonna just try one. A little bit of salt. You can also use everything but the bagel seasoning, but I don't know. I just want to do some salt and pepper today. So cheers. Yummy. So we're gonna do like a bed of greens. This is just spring mix. We're gonna add our eggs. I'm not gonna use all of them, since I already ate one. All right, and then we have the bacon. I'm not gonna use a lot of the bacon. So I don't really know what this is. We're gonna call this like a breakfast salad. Again, just trying to keep things low carb, high protein, low calories. And I'm not gonna use dressing or anything, but I am gonna use this spicy 2-time spicy hot sauce just to kind of give it a little kick. This is gonna be my breakfast today. Something different, something that I literally just made up, but it's low carb, high protein, low calories. I just used probably 1 bacon. I still have a bunch in the pan, so maybe we'll use that later, but it is 12:15, so we're gonna break our fast now, eat breakfast, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, this is like, I wasn't gonna film me eating, but like I needed to share this. This is probably the best salad I've had in so freaking long. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna make this more often. Sausage, bacon, eggs over a bed of spring mix. I think it's the lettuce too. It's just so fresh and crunchy. I don't know where Jamal got this, but I just opened it. It's in the fridge. It literally just says spring mix. Yeah, this is fire. This is so good. Spicy. Cheers. Okay guys, I forgot my camera at home, but we still have our phone that we can use. This red car is like, I don't know, it's just gonna have to be there. But I actually went to Party City just now to get balloons and decorations for Isaiah, but Party City has closed down, like where I live. It's crazy. So we're gonna have to figure out a plan B, but I got hungry. It is 3:30. So I stopped by Chick-fil-A. I got I don't know if it's a Coke Zero or a Pepsi Zero. I don't know if they serve Coke or Pepsi there. Oh. And even though it's like diet or like no sugar, I don't have this often, but I would say like maybe once a month I will treat myself to it. But let me show you guys what I got. This is low carb and keto friendly. I got 8-piece grilled nuggets. Instead of fries, I got a kale salad. Their kale salad is so yummy, guys. If you've never had their kale salad, try it. It's so good. I like to eat this alone because it's like, it already has like this light dressing on it. But we're gonna add our grilled chicken, and then we are going to add 1 of these zesty buffalo right on top, and then we're gonna add 1 of these ranch sauces on top as well, just a little bit, not too much. We're not gonna use the whole thing. And then roasted almonds. It's actually a really good substitute. So here's what it looks like, but I'm gonna shake mine up. Okay, look at that, guys. First bite, definitely a great side to replace your French fries. So yummy. Such a great to go like low carb option when you're out. And like honestly, sometimes we do want fries, but a tip that has helped me like change my mindset in regards to eating is like, you're eating to fuel your body. You're fueling so that you feel full. So like no matter what you eat, as long as you eat enough of it, you're gonna feel full. And then once you're full, you don't really think about like, you know, like you need to eat this or that, because you're full. You don't want more. So like that has been like a hard thing for me to adjust or like change, like shifts of mindset. But like it works. Like this morning, I really did want like bread or like a low carb tortilla, and even though it's low carb, obviously mixed greens is better than that. So like trying to get myself to realize that I'm gonna eat this salad here and not the fries, and guess what, at the end I'm still gonna be full. I'm still gonna be just as full as I would have if I got the fries. So just like shifting your mindset, or at least maybe I can just speak for myself, but like for me, shifting my mindset like that really does help. And like I really am full at the end. So like the ultimate goal is to, you know, get nutrition in and just to be full. So why not just eat a salad or the healthier option, and you know, you're gonna feel full. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I am at Crunch Fitness. I have a 9 a.m. HIIT class today, so it's an hour long. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, start my watch, show you guys how many calories I burned, and also take you guys along with me today. Another day of eating. Yeah, let's go in. Let's get a good workout in this Saturday morning, and yeah.